What's up, guys? I'm Rasim from RossMerzic.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to mine Magi coin. Now, Magi coin is a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin. They're both unregulated and both can be used as currency, but the only difference is Magi coin, unlike Bitcoin, can only be mined with a CPU. So you need a CPU miner to mine it. Now, this is probably the coolest part about Magic Coin. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a top of the line ASCII miners to mine it. Anybody can mine Magic Coin as long as you have any type of computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop. You can mine Magic Coin, and you don't need any expensive hardware. So I thought that was cool. They wanted to bring in a currency that's fair for everybody, so everybody is able to mine no matter what. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is download the Magi wallet. To do that, open up your browser and navigate to coinmagi.org/wallets/. You will see this page here. This will let you pick what type of operating system you're running. I'm running Windows, so I'm going to select Windows. And you're going to wait a few seconds for it to load. It'll download the Magi wallet. Once you finish downloading the Magi wallet, you will go to downloads, then it'll look something like this. You're going to want to open it, then extract it. I extracted mine to the desktop. So let's just open mine from the desktop. I'm going to double click the folder, and once you open up the folder, it's going to look like this. You're going to want to go to the bin folder. If you have a 64-bit processor, you're going to go to the 64-bit folder. If you have a 32-bit processor, you're going to go to 32-bit folder. My processor is 64-bit, so I'm going to choose 64-bit and double click this Magi icon here. Let it run, and it will load the wallet. So it might take a minute or two to load. After it's finished loading, it's going to start updating its blocks, but you're going to want to click on receive coin. This is going to be your address you're going to need to input into the mining pool. This address will allow you to receive Bitcoins. This is a very important address. Don't lose it. So you're going to right click the address, press copy or copy address here. Then we can minimize this. Now, and the next thing we're going to need to do is go to this page here, magi.nonce-pool.com/index.php. This is the mining pool we're going to use. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on guest up here, then select sign up if you don't have an account. Click on sign up, follow the instructions. Then once you've finished signing up, you should be able to log in. So I'm going to log into mine now. Once you log into yours, it's going to look something like this. And you're going to want to go to my account here. Go to my account. Then under edit account, click on edit account. This is where you're going to want to paste that address we just copied right here under payment address. And you can set the threshold. You can set whether you want to donate, and you just update it. You update it by using your 4-digit PIN that you created. And now the second most important part here is our workers. So we're going to go to account, again, my account, my workers, and you're going to create a worker. So I created one here. It's your username. Mine says rasim.277 or rasim277, and I created a worker called worker, and the password I chose is X. You can give it any password you want. So create a worker, and remember that worker. So now the next thing we're going to need to do is download the actual mining software. So we're going to navigate to this page here, xmg.makegar.com. We want to download the first link here. This one is download 1.0.1. Depending on when you watch this video, it might be different, but click on this link here and let it load. It's going to start downloading the zip file. So once it's finished downloading the zip file, unzip it to your desktop, and it should look something like this, right? So once you navigate to this folder, click on Sweet Spot. So double click Sweet Spot, right? And the program should run. So now we can minimize this. The first thing we're going to need to do is paste this address here, mine2.magi.nonce-pool.com :4090, right? The second thing you're going to need to do is type in your worker here. Whatever worker you created, mine was Rasim 277.worker. Whatever worker you created, you're gonna want to paste it here or write it down here. Then you're gonna type in the worker password you created. Now down here, multitasking, you're gonna select threads. Depending on how many CPUs you had, I keep it on 4 because I have 2 core and 4 threads, so I keep it on 4. You're gonna keep this win64-spexx wolf. Leave that the same. Make sure that block value is selected under CPU target. I bumped mine target mega hash to 36 to the highest one. I left the second drop box the same. I kept the other ones the default. Now, the next thing we're going to need to do is actually start the miner. To start the miner, just click on Start Miner and minimize this, and it should start mining. Give it a few seconds, and you should be good to go. First is binding thread 1 to CPU and binding whatever. It's doing whatever it needs to do to start mining. So actually right now it's mining right now successfully because it accepted 1 of 1 and it got 19.12 kilohash. And when you see yay, that's a good thing. That means it's working. If you see boo, that means it's not working. So that's pretty much it. And I'm going to open up this browser here and I'm going to go navigate back to the pool. In the dashboard, you could kind of view the performance of your worker. I have an average right now because I just started the miner, but it'll tell you your average hash rate. I actually mined 5.62 Magi coins already in less than 24 hours, so it's pretty cool. I like it. You don't need a super fast computer to do it. Anybody could do it, and I think it's fun. So if you guys are interested in mining Bitcoin-like currency, Magi coin should be something you should look at. I think it's cool. Follow along my tutorial if you want to try it out. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rustin from RussMarTech.com, and thanks for watching.